Hello, and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So my perspective hasn't really changed. We need to do a few things. So the bulls have to do a few things. First of all, to maintain the perspective that a larger wave 2 correction finished here on the 5th of July. And by the way, this wave 2 correction would have started, well, likely started on the 14th of March. I mean, that's the idea, right? That we had a wave 1 to the upside, which topped here in 5 waves in a diagonal pattern. You can never trust these diagonals. Okay, it might be something different, might be something more bearish, but because we can identify a possible 5-wave move up, we can monitor this wave 2 support region, and the $4.60 level here is key support. So that's the key support level. That's the key support level for the bulls for the wave 2. So we could still see one more low, yeah. But obviously we're observing the chart to see if we're already reversing, because the price has found some stability in this support region. It's just not very clear yet, because we need to do one thing, which is a break above the critical $6.55 level. We'll talk about that right now. But the 460 level is the overall bullish support. Below 460, the bulls will have it much more difficult, and it would most likely lead to invalidation of the pattern. In the very short term here, it's possible that this wave 2 bottomed on the 5th of July, that we actually formed a 5-wave move up, and this is a 3-wave pullback. I've got a support zone, which gives us very clear parameters. You know, whether this looks good or not, we have very clear parameters to watch. The $5.24 level needs to hold to keep the idea alive that this larger wave 2 bottomed on the 5th of July. Now, I marked it only with question marks in this case, because this wave 1 is a very questionable 5-wave move. I think only the Binance chart shows this last wick. We can take a quick look at, Kraken. Let's see. What did Kraken do? Yeah, on the Kraken chart, this here would have been the last move up. Hasn't happened. I mean, it's possible that this is the 5th wave, this top, that topped on Monday the 15th. But again, I marked that as a high B wave, actually, here on the Binance chart. So is it so important? Not really, because the $5.24 level is critical support. So we have an ABC pullback in wave 2. And this needs to hold here, this support box between 524 and 588. And now we're just watching if the price can push higher. Important is really the bulls need to take the price above 655. That's really critical. This level couldn't be broken we had multiple attempts, really. There was one attempt on the 12th of June, fake out. Then not here, not here, not here. Tried a couple of times. Tried again, failed. So multiple failures, and any break above it would be a bit of a game changer here, and would likely lead to an upside breakout and a 3rd wave rally that should reach the $8 region, more specifically like $8.50 and above, because the $8.48 level from here, at least measured from here, or let me just double check that. I might have to adjust that. Yeah, slightly adjusted, okay. So $8.12 plus, yeah. So the lower the price goes in the support area, the lower the upside targets go as well. If a wave 2 is very shallow, it typically leads to a very strong 3rd wave. If the wave 2 is deeper, the 3rd wave could also end a little bit lower. It's just related to mathematics and Fibonacci mathematics. The 3rd wave should get, however, to the 1.38 extension at $8.12. Now again, to keep it very simple, for that to remain a reasonable perspective, the $5.24 level needs to hold, and we need to see a break above 655. These are really the two things that the bulls need to accomplish here. And below 524, we have the 460 level still as support. So still watching for a potential bullish outcome here, but the bulls need to turn up. I mean, the chart is prepared. The bulls just need to turn up. But there isn't, the potential is there, but the potential isn't useful if the bulls don't turn up. So they just need to do that, or we'll likely deal with one more low in the 460 area. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching.